Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Ascenta, Baie Run, Canine Omega3, Smoky Meat Flavor, 6.8 fluid ounces, 200 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Fish oil supplement 1170 mg EPA/DHA per teaspoon, guaranteed pure healthy pet, healthy planet, non-GMO, project verified, Bullfrogpowered. Omega-3 is beneficial for the maintenance of your dog's good health. Suitable for all breeds and sizes. Suggested use. Give once per day with food according to weight, 22 pounds 1/4 of a teaspoon, 1.25 milliliters, 22 to 55 pounds half a teaspoon, 2.5 milliliters, greater than 55 pounds 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters. Other ingredients. Fish oil, anchovies, sardines, mackerel, herring, natural flavors, vitamin E, rosemary extract, sunflower oil, sunflower lecithin, and ascorbyl palmitate. Warnings. Suitable for dogs in all stages of life. Canine Omega-3 is intended for supplemental feeding only. After opening, refrigerate and consume within 120 days. Do not use if safety seal is broken or missing. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.